Hello, my name is Cynthia Sumner. I'm a holistic health coach, and today I'm going to show you how to make raw Almond Joys. These are my husband's favorite treats, healthy treats, I should say. So I want to make them for him today. I'm going to make them so that you can watch and see how easy it is. My favorite thing about raw treats is that I can have something that tastes good as a candy bar or better. I've had many of my clients and friends and family say that it tastes better than a regular Almond Joy. And then it's so exciting because you get to feel good and have something that tastes good. You don't feel the guilt after. And it's actually a superfood. It's really good for you. So we're using a lot of almonds, which are full of potassium. They are essential in the proper heart function. And then chia seeds we're going to put in there. This is a superfood, and it is packed with essential vitamins and minerals, as well as the cacao powder. This is cocoa. It's like cocoa. But there's no added chemicals, and it's a superfood. It's high in minerals and vitamins and really good for you. So we're going to go ahead, and I've already have there's 3 cups of unsweetened shredded coconut in here. Make sure you get the unsweetened, dried shredded coconut in the bowl. And then I have 1.5 cups almonds, so it calls for almond flour. You can either buy it that way, or you can just blend it in a food processor or a blender. So I'm going to blend it here. So it's just that easy. And then we're going to pour it in with the shredded coconut. That's in the syrup. We're going to do 3 tablespoons of chia seeds, and I'm just more of a pour it in. I've made it so many times I don't really need to measure. A teaspoon of, this is dried vanilla bean, ground. And then we have a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, so you want to get the sea salt. Do not use table salt. And a 1/3 cup of unprocessed coconut oil. Coconut oil is another superfood. It's so good for you, antibacterial, full of vitamins and minerals, essential nutrients. And then we have the pure maple syrup, and it's actually a cup of pure maple syrup. You can also use honey or other natural sweeteners, but pure maple syrup for this recipe makes it taste the best. So I know this looks like a lot, but it makes a lot. So pour that in, and you can do less. Not everybody needs it as sweet. So I'm going to stir this up. You can see how delicious that looks already. And once you have it mixed up really well, form it into a ball. Hopefully I've mixed it good enough. And then in here I've made the syrup, which is really easy. It's coconut oil, cacao powder, some of the vanilla powder, and you just stir it together. You dip it in so that you've got it on the top. These ones are really messy. They're not sticking together super good right now. But once you stir it up good, they'll stick together really well. And I just do an almond on top. You put them in the freezer so that they hold together and they're hard. And when you're ready to serve or eat them, you take them out for a couple minutes, and then you get to enjoy them. We'll have the recipe on this video, and enjoy.